In Angular, parent components often need to pass data down to their children. But unlike React's props, Angular uses a different mechanism. Let's see how it works. Angular uses the input decorator to mark properties that can receive data from a parent component. In your child component class, you import input from Angular core and decorator property. This tells Angular that this property can be set from outside the component. You can pass a string to input to use a different external name than the internal property name. In the parent component's template, you bind to the child's input property using square brackets. The property name goes in brackets, and you assign it the value or variable you want to pass. This property binding syntax is Angular's way of passing data down. You can pass strings, numbers, objects, or any TypeScript value. Inside the child component, you access the input property, just like any other class property. You can use it in your template with interpolation, bind it to other elements, or reference it in your component methods. The property is available throughout the component's lifecycle. It's crucial to understand that input properties follow unidirectional data flow. Data flows from parent to child only. The child should not modify the input property directly, especially if it's an object reference. If the child needs to communicate back, it uses output decorators with event emitters. This keeps your component hierarchy predictable and maintainable. Master input properties and you've mastered Angular's core communication pattern. Practice this with real components and you'll be ready for any interview. Now go build something amazing. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.